If your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree every time you brake, your Ford Ranger might be trying to tell you something. Let's figure out what's up with your ABS. First, check your dashboard. If the ABS warning light's on, that's your truck's way of shouting for help. Start simple. Pop the hood and check your brake fluid. Low levels can mess with your whole braking system. Next, give your wheel sensors a look. These little guys read your wheel speed and pass the info to the ABS. Dirt, grease, or damage? Clean them up and make sure the wires aren't loose or broken. Still seeing that warning light? It might be a blown fuse or a bad relay. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse box location and swap in a fresh fuse if needed. If none of this works, it's scanner time. Most auto parts stores will read your truck's codes for free. This will tell you exactly which part of the ABS is acting up. If you're not comfortable fixing the problem yourself, get a pro. ABS isn't something you want to gamble with. So, next time your Ford Ranger's ABS acts up, remember, check the basics first, stay safe, and don't ignore those warning lights. That's how you keep your Ranger and yourself rolling safely.